is the first teacher.
Yes, sir.
We learn all these things from the mothers. Mother give us the style of living, and father is the source of energy. So love the parents, serve the parents, and respect the parents. Parents are your good friends, good teacher. They gives all the ideas. I am not a talent teacher. I am not a teacher. I am not a speaker. I am not a American. I can do it. Why you can't do it? My name is Ratan Thapa. I live in Lamki. I am a leader. When you are going to speak in English, this is just like a Nepali language. That is the English language, and we speak Nepali.
Yes, sir.
We know everybody knows Nepali
Yes.
because we are born in Nepal. Our family is Nepali.
Yes.
All family speaks
Yes.
Nepali
Yes.
everywhere. At home, school, wherever we go, we can easily understand Nepali,
Yes.
right? From child, 2-year child can speak Nepali
Yes, sir.
because all every day we speak Nepali with him or her, and he is able to speak Nepali. Same thing. If you want to learn more powerful English language, you must speak English each other. The speaking is depend on the conversation. Make the conversation each other. Speaking is depend on making conversation. Conversation is very important, right? First of all, you have to listen carefully. You must have the listening power. Whatever I am speaking in front of you, you have to listen what I said. The listening power is most important. Then reading. You read the paragraphs, books, whatever written in English perfectly, correctly, and slowly, not fast. Is read slowly. You must have enhance your speaking, listening, and reading and writing also. Very importance. If you write the paragraphs, letters, everything, and correct spelling must be important,
Yes, sir.
right? So that you must have the, listening power, reading, writing, and speaking.
Speaking.
How to learn about this? You have to first of all make up your mindset. Make up your mindset, positive mindset. You must be positive mindset. I can do it. I can speak English. No, it is just like language. It's not a difficult language. You have to make powerful yourself, right?
Yes.
I want to learn English. So nothing. You must make a mindset perfect. If you make a negative mindset, oh, how can I speak? Oh, I am very poor in English. Oh, it is very difficult. If you feel like this, if you make like that negative mindset, then you cannot be success. You think. If you think, maybe you may lose. If you decide, you can win. You will be winner. You will be win. You must decide. I can do it. I am qualified. I am talent. I can do it. It's so simple. You make the mindset. That is the very important things. You are sitting here to learn something in English. That's it. First of all, your mind must be perfect, positive. Think positive. Do positive. And be simplest and be disciplined, and then you will get name, fame, and everything. Ask yourself, are you eager to learn English language or not? Ask yourself, not me, no others. I am ready. I want to learn it. I want to love English language or not. First, ask yourself.
Yes, sir. I'm not.
What types of interest you have? You are interested in learning this language or not? Ask yourself.
Yes, sir.
If if you yourself come answer of, oh, I am ready to learning, then only you do. Otherwise, coming here, going home, oh, I am a student of the MGS, I am reading and I know everything, doesn't work. Certificate doesn't work. Knowledge works. No meaning of certificate. For this, what types of interests you have, you identify yourself. There is no other people. My mother, father and other people doesn't give any idea. They give their idea. They will give father, if your father wanted to become a doctor, he will tell you, you must be doctor. Because he was interested, but you are not interested in to be a doctor. So what type of interest you have to find out yourself. That capacity you must have. Then only you will be success. Whenever you read, you speak, whatever you do, you can make mistake. Make a mistake, no problem. Making mistake is no. Man makes mistakes. We learn from mistakes. Jack Ma used to say that learn from the others' mistakes. Somebody says, mistake give us success. No. Mistakes, I can allow you can make one mistake. Don't make repeated mistake. Repetition of mistake is very bad. If you make mistake, correction of the mistake is the real fact of success. If you make some mistakes, suppose I speak here, I can make mistake, but when I see the video, then I will correct, and next time I will never make mistakes. That is the success of life. That is the success theory. Making mistake, correction of the mistake is the real fact of success. Suppose we don't allow ourselves to be controlled by three things. Suppose your past never come. Yesterday never come. Don't think about the past. Past is gone. What was your father? What was your life? What was yesterday? Gone. Think about future. All focus, your total focus in making your future. How can you make better future? Doing now, doing present. You are a student, your duty is to read. Total 100%, you have to give 100% on study. And next is make a relationship, good relationship with the good people. If you go with the bad, if your friend who doesn't speak English, if you make with him friendship, your English will be bad. Make a friendship. If you want to learn the English, I am making friend with Mr. Pant sir. That's why I am able to speak in front of you, because my friend is very qualified. If I make friends with other people, they will learn bad thing. Make the friendship with the good people. What types of, if you want to be rich, make a friendship with rich people. If you want to lead, if you want to be leader, make a friendship with leaders, right? Don't make friendship with the negative people. Negative people, day after day, they will drag you in the negative way. That's why always make a friendship with the good people, those people who are good, actually who are positive thinkers, right? And third is your limited belief. Oh, I am a poor man, how can I be success? This is a very good. Don't make these types of think big. Think big. Think about big. I will be a Prime Minister of Nepal. You can think. There is nothing cost. Is there cost? Anything cost? No. Think, I will be the richest man of the Nepal. Any cost is there? No. Don't think little bit. Think more. Don't run after the money. Money is nothing. Money will run after you. If you will become a doctor, if you are an engineer, if you will be a businessman, money will come after you. You have to do your business. You have to do your work. Which work you want, you love it. Don't do that work which one you don't love. Money is nothing. Knowledge is everything. So that you respect the teacher, respect your parents. Don't ignore your parents, because the mother is the first teacher.
Yes, sir.
We learn from all these things from the mothers. Mother give us the style of living, and father is the source of energy. The father is the source of energy. So love the parents, serve the parents, and respect the parents. Parents are your good friends, good teacher. They gives all the ideas. Teacher give us knowledge through the education. The education is the most powerful weapon. Even maybe school education, college education, whatever maybe. The education give us knowledge. Knowledge give us wisdom. That depends the knowledge. Education can change. The education has a power. That is the weapons. That is a power. It can change our whole society. I am not a talent teacher. I am not a teacher. I am not a speaker. I am not a American. I can do it. Why you can't do it? This is the inspiration class, inspiring you. Looking me. This world is, even though you are just like my daughter and son, right? So in fact, this is the why I am coming here. So you can become that Ratan Thapa can speak in front. Why we can't speak? This is the powerful weapon. This is the idea I am giving you. This idea I want to give you. I want to share you. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thanks a lot. It was really outstanding speech from our honorable chief guests. Hope that you have learned a lot from his speech, from his motivational speech. I hope that you have learned how to enhance your English language and how to be a successful person in your life, right?
Yes, sir.
So this much for today, and bye for now.
Bye, sir.